So let's swap it. I'll get the iPad in there. I'll take it out from the case. The nice thing about this magnetic case is that I can easily remove it. Hopefully I don't drop it now. Okay, that's the old case out of the way. That's the iPad. This is my iPad Pro M5, and that's how it looks like without the case. You can see, flip it. There is a bit of fingerprints, and I'll try to clean it up a little bit before inserting it in the case. Also, that's the camera there. Careful with the camera. Okay, so we have here, this is where the camera is, and I will flip the iPad on the back. So the camera is here, and also you look at the camera cutout, it's there. So the camera slot is there. I will simply, it has these edges, so it's really nice. The edges are grabbing onto the beyond the edges of the iPad, so it's really protecting it. So iPad goes in, power button got pressed. Okay, so this corner got a bit close. Yeah, these ones are not as easy to install in as the other one, but it should work. I align it, and then one press here on the edge. No. So it's really, I have to push it all the way there. And then inside, all inside. Okay, perfect. Okay, power button works. The volume buttons, oh, they feel really clicky. Wow, this case is pretty nice. Only thing I don't like is this part here. Let's see how the Pencil Pro fits here. Ah, not too bad. But how do I take it out now? It's not easy to remove this thing from here. I'll maybe just press it like this. So the magnet holds it there. I can pull back on the case, so I can do like this. The case pulls back a little bit. I can pull back and open it. Okay, so I understand. It's not too bad. Pull back and then, yeah. So I have to press on this tab here, on this flap. I press on it, it goes behind the Apple Pencil, and then I take it out. And when I install it, I have to put it with the flat part under there, and it should show. Let's see. It should show that it's charging. So it shows that it's charging. Yeah, the only downside is this thick edge, but I think it's okay to have a thick edge and more protection.